I will present for question 1, that is the benefit of Takaful compared to conventional insurance. So for Takaful, based on corporations, and for the conventional insurance, based on commercial factor only. So for the Sharia, Takaful policies are free from element of riba. Element riba is interest, gharar is uncertainty, and mayar is gambling. For conventional insurance, including mutual insurance, may involve riba, gambling, and some other elements which may not be justified by Sharia principle. The next one is investment. Investment for Takaful is the fund shall be invested in any interest-free Sharia approved assistant, also meet any required national insurance regulation and laws. So for the conventional insurance, the funds may be invested in any asset as long as they meet required national insurance and regulation laws. For the policyholder fund, the Takaful plan holder and shareholders' capital can only be invested in investment funds that are Sharia compliant. For conventional insurance, the capital of the premium for conventional insurance is invested in funds and investment channels which are not necessarily Sharia compliant. The last one is risk. Based on risk sharing concept for Takaful, risk share are distributed among the participants of Takaful who agree to jointly assume the risk. For the conventional insurance, risk is transferred and passed from individual to conventional insurance. So for the next question is 5 elements of family Takaful. So there are 5 elements of family Takaful. The first one I will talk about individual. Traditional Takaful provide you with protection as well as long-term savings plan. You or your nominee will receive a financial benefit if you were to suffer a loss. Part of your contribution will also be deposited into an investment account as savings, so that you will also get the enjoy investment return. Term Takaful or pure family Takaful will provide you with protection for a specific cover event. Unlike the traditional Takaful plan, you should not expect to receive any investment returns throughout the term of term Takaful or pure family Takaful certificate or when certificate expires. So number 2 is investment. Link Takaful, investment, invest and link Takaful. And investment link Takaful plan offer both investment and protection. You will be given Takaful coverage including death and a disability benefit along with investment. Is an option in wide range of Sharia approved investment funds. You can change the contribution amount as your financial situation change, as well as change between investment funds at any time. So the third is medical and health Takaful. So besides covering the expenses for a wide range of private medical treatment, this plan will also pay you a certain amount if you were diagnosed with an illness or get injured due to an accident. This plan can be participated as a standalone plan or as an add-on to a family Takaful. So the fourth is credit Takaful. This plan covers the repayment of an outstanding property, hire purchase, personal or business financing to the financial institution in the event of death, total and permanent disability or critical illness of the participant. So the last one is rider supplementary cover. You can choose to attach this plan to basic Takaful plans such as term Takaful, pure family Takaful, traditional Takaful, or investment linked Takaful plan for additional protection. This may result in additional contribution or tabarruk. So that's all from me. My name is Trisa Sunjuk. I will be the next presenter, which is I will present and explain the answer of question 2. First, 5 situations of Takaful industry within current unprecedented of COVID-19 pandemic are: first, provide coverage by the hospital as a general insurance (HSI). HSI policy covers cost of hospitalization and healthcare services including room, board doctor and surgery fees, medical supplies and services due to covered illnesses or accident. A standard HSI policy generally excludes all types of communicable diseases requiring quarantine such as the current COVID-19 outbreak. However, many insurers, out of goodwill, have agreed to waive the exclusion and provide cover for COVID-19. This is in addition to extra coverage offered by individual insurers. Second, travel insurance. A travel insurance generally covers travel-related accident, medical expenses, inconveniences suffered during the period of travel as stipulated in the policy. However, most policies will exclude travel to countries where travel ban or advisory had been issued by the local or foreign government of the destination country. As the term and coverage of one policy may differ with another, consumers are advised to seek confirmation from respective insurer before traveling. The third one, closure due to governmental order. Under an ID extension, it is essential that the cost of the insured businesses or premises being shut down is due to a governmental order. This is because coverage may not be afforded in the absence of such an order. As such, documentation of any governmental order must be obtained and preserved for use in establishing the insurance claim. Fourth, measurement of trading losses. Another complication is the measurement of trading losses, as insurers would likely factor in the wider reduction in trade across the country or the region and seek to adjust any trading losses of an insured against the current wider economic downward trend post-virus outbreak. Lastly, employees' compensation. It is expected that court will endeavor to find coverage where an employee, through no fault of their own, was exposed to the COVID-19 virus at work in a demonstrate way. It is essential that the exposure take place in an government to receive medical care and compensation through the EC policy. Thus, coverage may not be afforded under the policy if the virus was contracted elsewhere. Next, I will present the answer of 5 elements that are covered under Takaful My Click Most Care for COVID-19. The first one, coverage against dengue and Zika. They are responding to an immediate needs of consumers by providing an extension of coverage against COVID-19 on top of the benefits offered via the newly introduced Takaful My Click Most Care plan. Second, they provide 100% benefits payout when proven positive for dengue or Zika test. The plan provides a lump sum cash payout of up to 4,000 if the person covered is diagnosed with dengue or Zika, and a lump sum cash payout of up to 2,000 if diagnosed with COVID-19. The third one, affordable contribution from as little as 11 cents a day or 40 ringgit a year. The plan also offers
to individuals aged 18 and above from as low as 11 cents a day or 40 ringgit a year, and is only available online via the Click for Cover sales portal. The fourth one continues year-long coverage even after your first claim. They also provide claims payout within 1 working days, and their customer can choose from any of the 3 exclusive packages offered, namely bronze, silver, and gold, which provide a different sum covered at a very affordable price to meet their protection needs. Lastly, they provide free COVID-19 protections. The coverage starts after 14th day from the effective date of the certificate and pay up to 2,000, which is 50% of their plan benefits when tested positive for COVID-19.
Hello, my name is Cornelia Nisha and I will explain the question 2C. Describe 5 elements of COVID-19 relief program by Takaful Malaysia. First element, it is the COVID-19 relief program on deferment of contribution payment. The COVID-19 relief gives eligible participants a deferment period of 3 months to pay the regular contribution for the family Takaful certificate. During this deferment period, Syarikat Takaful Malaysia, Keluarga Berhad Takaful Malaysia will contribute to provide Takaful protection. Second element, it is the person who entitled for this deferment of contribution payment program. It is open to Takaful Malaysia family Takaful participant who meet the criteria below. A. Participants who are financially affected by COVID-19 or the Movement Control Order (MCO). This includes family Takaful participants who are quarantined at home or suffering from loss of income from work or business due to MCO and slowing down of the economy during the pandemic. Besides that, the participant with contribution due date or their regular contribution paying Takaful certificate that fall between 18 March 2020 and 31st December 2020. And third element, it is the time to take this process to the application. It takes 7 working days to process the application from the date of receiving the application and relieving proof or documents. Fourth element is the action if participant dies within the deferment period of 3 months. In the event of death occur within the deferment period, the total outstanding contribution, including the amount due within the deferment period, will be deducted from the claim account. Last element, it is the process to apply this program. The first, you need to submit this document to Takaful Malaysia. Okay, first it is doctor letter confirming the COVID-19 infection. Second, employer letter of salary reduction. And lastly, letter of closure of non-essential business. Next, by business. I will explain question 2D. Describe 5 elements of Takaful Ikhlas COVID-19 relief measure benefits. First benefit is COVID-19 test fund. This COVID-19 test fund has been established to support the Ministry of Health effort to carry out more COVID-19 testing. Second benefit, it is a COVID-19 Ikhlas personal accident relief program, a cash benefit of amount 1,000 to beneficiary upon death to person covered due to COVID-19. And third benefit is COVID-19 Ikhlas Motor Relief Program To ensure the Takaful motor's basic contribution rate does not exceed the motor Takaful rate. For benefit, it is COVID-19 class via Takaful relief programs. To ensure the good housekeeping and clear from combustible material, all flammable materials are removed from site. Besides that, to ensure physical protection, security, and firefighting system are in good working condition. And last benefit is motor Takaful coverage is mandatory throughout MCO. A valid motor certificate with effective date 18 March 2020 till end of MCO period. It also renewal of the vehicle road tax within 30 days after the MCO ends. That's all from me. Thank you.
Question number 5. Two Takaful company that cover for any losses caused by COVID-19. First company is Prudential BSN Takaful Berhad. Type of claim: number 1 is life protection, number 2 is medical, number 3 is hospital income, number 4 is critical illness. Types of policy is upon diagnosis of COVID-19, hospitalization due to COVID-19, death due to COVID-19. For upon diagnosis of COVID-19 for all of type is same, which is total cash payout of 5,000 ringgit Malaysia. For hospitalization due to COVID-19 for life protection is NA. For medical is hospital bill, which is worker subgroup treatment and medicine. For hospital income is daily hospitalization allowance. For critical illness is NA. For death due to COVID-19 is for life protection policy, which is amount, certificate, some cost. For medical is NA, for hospital income is NA, and for critical illness is NA. The second Takaful company is AIA Public Takaful Berhad. Description for hospitalization: 200 ringgit Malaysia per day, payable up to 13 days of hospitalization if the threshold cause is diagnosed with COVID-19. Depreciation of that is additional lump sum cost of 10,000 ringgit Malaysia per lead will be paid to his or her beneficiary. Okay, next is question number 3. Explain 5 relevant information that you should look for when buying a COVID-19 health policy. Number 1 is co-payment clause. Read all the features of the plan carefully. Look for or ask the insurance provider if there is any co-payment clause in the policy. Number 2, know about the insurer. Note that health insurance company with a low claim settlement ratio may spell a problem. Number 3, cashless hospital. Make sure you are well informed about the network hospital and insurance company has. The hospital should be in your vicinity and must be capable to offer treatment for coronavirus. Number 4 is claim settlements process. Keep yourself informed about the claim settlement process of a particular health insurance company before purchasing coronavirus health insurance. Number 5 is waiting period clause. health insurance plans for coronavirus come with an initial waiting period after which only the treatment for the illness will be covered.